Good morning. Today we are going to discuss with fermentation media. So what is fermentation media? Fermentation media is nothing but a composition of nutrients which is provided to the microorganisms. These nutrients provided utilized by the microorganism to convert the crude substrate present in that nutrient media into a product. Like when we are going to produce ethanol from ethanol at industrial level or even at laboratory level, we have to provide it a particular nutrient supplement. It is in the form of fermentation media, so that nutrients will be utilized, that carbohydrate supplement will be utilized by that microorganism, and it is converted into, by the biochemical reaction, it is converted into ethanol. Okay, this is a representative example of fermentation. Before starting with the detail of fermentation media, we are going to discuss the characteristics of ideal fermentation medium. In that, the chemical composition of the fermentation medium, it is the critical factor. The chemical composition should contain all the necessary nutrients required for the growth of that microorganism and nutrient required for production of the desired product. That nutrient medium, that fermentation medium should contain carbon source, nitrogen source, mineral source, vitamin source in that. Along with that, it should be provided with the ideal pH environment. If such ideal conditions are provided as in that nutrient medium, then and then only that organism can efficiently utilize that nutrient and convert it into the respective product. So the chemical composition also play an important role. Likewise, precursor is there. Precursor is certain fermentation. In certain fermentation requires precursor, the starter material for the better production of products. Let's say phenylacetic acid is required in penicillin fermentation. Also, that fermentation media should have good buffering capacity to maintain the pH at optimum, at required level. Fermentation medium should avoid foam formation. If foaming is there, it hampers your fermentation. And that is why the fermentation medium is so designed that it will avoid the foam formation. It may be by addition of certain oils like lard oil in case of penicillin fermentation. That fermentation medium should not be toxic for the growth, for the production of product. Its consistency should not be viscous. If viscosity is there, penetration of air is less, and if that your organism is aerobic, in that condition the aerobic organism unable to grow and properly produce the product. Okay, so this is, along with that, the contamination should not be there, recovery should be feasible, properly carried out, and the availability of raw material should be freely and easily available. So these are the characteristics of fermentation medium. We will observe this the next in details, the importance of fermentation media in next lecture. So good day, student.